So we have started seeing some movement in the back office as per withdrawal button is now active, guys. So this is really, really good. It means CuBig is doing what they say they are going to do, which is really, really good for this business. So I have seen in my back office that my withdrawal button is now active, and I believe that so many people in CuBig, their accounts should be functioning the same. So if you go to your back office right now that I'm speaking to you now, right now that you are watching this video, your withdrawal button should be active. Let me show you my back office just now. So you will notice that my withdrawal button is active. If you go to your account and click on rewards, you will see withdrawal button that is now active. Okay, yesterday it was grayed out, but today it's now active. So I believe that there will be some movement here. Now this $1 that you are looking at right now, this is the $1 that I have already on my account. Okay, but I have seen some screenshots from some of our team members in CuBig that started before me. Okay, remember they are paying based on when you join CuBig, yeah, and when you started doing your tasks and stuff like that. So there are some screenshots that is being shared currently in the official CuBig Telegram channel. If you are hooked into that Telegram channel, then you should have seen all these screenshots. So you will see that people are beginning to receive their money. Okay, so this is $20 already in somebody's account, and this is another one, $97, as you can see. Yeah, this is $97 already in somebody's account, and there is a withdrawal button that is active. So this person would have made a withdrawal already, or probably the person is not even ready to withdraw just now. But these are the screenshots that are being shared in the official Telegram channel. So things are really, really beginning to move very, very fast in CuBig. We are hoping that we are going to get paid just like all these people. You are looking at their screenshots from their accounts. Okay, this is $97, guys. $97 from somebody's account for what? Just clicking on ad and watching ad for 35 seconds. This is another 20 quid from somebody's account. So things are beginning to move. This is just like, 2 cents. I don't know why this person has got 2 cents, but of course it is money, guys. It is money, right? It is money that is available for people to withdraw. You can see this one is $60 available balance, $60, guys. So things are beginning to move. This is another one, $128, right? Available to withdraw in CuBig. These are people's accounts, not my account. As I said earlier in this video, that is not my account. This is the biggest one, $215 available for this person to withdraw. Okay, I believe that the other one that says, let me see, let me go back one touch, this one that says 0 pending and balance. So I believe that this person probably must have put in their withdrawal, but it doesn't matter. What matters is there are numbers and dollars and figures and everything happening right now in CuBig. So guys, go to your account and check if you have any money. Please leave a comment in the comment section of this video if you have any figure at all in your account in CuBig, right? For those that are in my team, please dash to your account in CuBig and go to your reward section, and then go to your financial overview section and see if there is any money there for you to receive or withdraw. When I make my withdrawal, I will make a video to show you that I have actually, done my withdrawal in CuBig. As I said, if you go to your account and you don't see any of this money that people are displaying, and sharing with, the community, don't be alarmed. Your turn will come. Remember, they said they are going to pay on the 17th, 18th, 19th until they've cleared the whole backlog of people that are meant to be paid. So this is good news, guys. This is good news. The withdrawal button is active and people are seeing money, right? Now, thank you guys for watching this video. I am excited. I just thought I should share this opportunity with you guys and share the good news as well, that the withdrawal button is active and people are beginning to see money in their back office. So those of you that have been completing their tasks on a daily basis, those are the people that will get paid. If you have registered in CuBig and you have been waiting for everybody to get paid before you start your task, that is also okay. That is your decision, and I am fine with your decision. Okay. All I know is people that have been doing this task from day one that I introduced CuBig, those people will definitely get paid. If you have been doing your task and you stopped in between because you are tired or you don't know if this will work, that is also okay. But we that have been consistent with the daily task, completing all our daily tasks, making sure that we accumulate our points on a daily basis, then I am 100% sure we are going to get paid. Okay, as you have already seen. So if you would like to join CuBig with me, the link to do so is below this video description, guys. Join and begin to earn for free, because if you are on the free package, you are going to earn this $40. Okay, but just by clicking on ads and completing, you know, one or two tasks depending on the package you are on, and the videos that we are watching is up to 30 to 35 seconds, right? So it's not that much. It's just something for us to earn money without putting any money at all. For those of you that have upgraded into a higher package, that is your own personal decision. Okay, nobody forced you to upgrade to higher package. That is because you have accessed CuBig and you saw that they are going to pay double the amount of money you are earning in the free package. Okay, the free package is $40 if you complete all your tasks. Then the paid package, you will earn $80 for basic, and then you will earn $160 if you go higher package, and then so on and so forth, right? So guys, as I said, the link to join this platform is below this video description. If you are struggling to register for CuBig, please contact me on my Facebook Messenger, my Telegram, or even on my WhatsApp. I will be able to help you to get registered. Just like today, I have been able to help almost 10 people to register today when they began to see, you know, all the screenshot of people earning money. Okay, after just watching an ad for 30 to 35 seconds. That's all you need to do, guys. It's not too much of a ask. If you don't have money to invest in other platforms, this platform is telling you, come and earn money for free, but you must click on ads and watch it for 35 seconds. Is that too much? No, it's not too much. So guys, the link to join is below this video description if you wish to do so. Thank you, and I will keep you posted with my withdrawal once my own happens. Okay, thank you guys.